going to be a little bit different. This video is going to be a what's in my bag video, and currently I'm carrying the Michael Kors Saffiano leather. It's called the I forgot the name, but I'll link it in the in the title as well as in the description bar. But yeah, you don't know this about me, but I love watching what's in my bag videos, makeup collection videos, and what else, like day in the life of. So yeah, so it is very heavy. So I'm currently carrying this bag, as you can see. Michael Kors Saffiano leather. What's it called? Selma. The Selma purse, I think it's called. Alright, so I've never done this before, so it's kind of weird. But the first thing that I have that I need to take out because I need to put it on is my Baby Doll Pink lipstick, and it is by Giordano. Yeah, because I wasn't wearing a lipstick, so I have that in my bag. And I also have the MAC lip gloss in Snob, which this was my lip combo today. And I don't know if you like me, but throughout the day my lip gloss lipstick always comes off. Alright, yeah. So those, then I have, oh, I'm getting it from this little it's very messy inside, you see that? So I'm getting it from this little pocket over here, my stuff. Then I have this MAC lipstick I have Riri Boy in here, and I have Shades by Gal Boysenberry. I did a makeup tutorial using Boysenberry, so it's in my bag. So that pocket is empty. So now the other pocket over here, it just has this card from Trodat, and this bubble gum, which is double mint. I have, and the main part of the bag this is so odd, but the big part of my bag here, I just have the wig that I was wearing today, and I just wanted it off my head, so I wrapped my hair. So yeah, wig with my little my friend's daughter's clip in it, so this is my short wig. And then I have my purse, and this is the matching purse. This is the Michael Kors matching purse, and I don't have anything, just like cards and a little bit of cash and whatever. Zipper parties right here, and cards are up here, and also on the other side. And there's like some slots, one slot here, and there's like another slot here. That's my learner's license. So yeah, so that's it basically. That's in my purse, and of course it matches the bag. So I thought that was pretty cute. Oh, I've had this bag now for I think almost a year, or probably 8 months or so. Oh gosh. Then I have my phone. This is the iPhone 4. I know it's a very old model iPhone 4, but yes, I got this case off of eBay. I paid like $4 or something like that for it, or $6. So I got this off of eBay because the back of my phone cracked, so I need a heavy duty case for it. I can't get anything in the case for it. Then I have this big mirror here, which is weird because I couldn't find my little compact, and I was using this as like, yo, I'll just store this in my bag. So yeah, this big mirror, which I don't normally carry, I have to be honest. I just couldn't find my other little mirror, and yeah, that came up. And this is a car freshener wrapper. It's in strawberry. It smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. So that's trash, I can probably throw that away. And then I have this plastic bag filled with MAC stuff. I did a trial today for a bride that I have coming up, and some of the stuff I used on her I just purchased for my kit because she had them for her own. So the first thing I have is the MAC Fix Plus, and it's in the new packaging, the frosty packaging, which I thought I like how it looks. But I mean, the Fix Plus packaging before didn't bother me, and it's under the Prep and Prime line now. So yeah, so I have the MAC Fix Plus. I have the strobe cream. It's the travel size one. I got the this one is mine, the Prep and Prime highlighter, and this one is in peach luster, and it's just a peach. Not sure if you can see it there, but it's just like a peach. So and it's on the Prep and Prime line too. So yeah, and here's just one more thing. Yeah, and I got a mini Fix Plus. So that's what was in this bag. And yeah, this was the MAC bag. Boy, I tell you. Oh, and the receipts. I almost threw the receipt for everything that I paid for. Trash. Then I have some baby wipes, which I use like normally, like if I eat or whatever, like a patty or something, I just wipe off my hand, then I use my hand sanitizer. So I have baby wipes. This one is the Cubbies baby wipes. I guess hypoallergenic. Yeah. Then I have a straw to, I guess, drink. Then I have this used baby wipe that's in my bag. It shouldn't be there, but it's in there. Then I have another receipt, and this receipt is from Hilo. Yeah. So I have this little this came in my camera kit, and in this bag I just have my camera charger, my battery, and the charger for it, so I could just charge it, and then if that died, because I vlogged it today, so if this battery died I could just switch it out. So I walked with both of them today just in case. Then I have my New Testament, Psalms and Proverbs, my little Bible. You can't laugh, yeah? You can't laugh. But I don't know what they call these little beanie blue Bibles. I can't remember. But one pop, I don't know what they call them. But yeah, so I have this in my bag. I mean, you need the Word of God. That's what I'm trying to say. Then I have my charger for my iPhone, and I have this end, not the other end. So yeah, charger for my iPhone. Then I have my keys in here. And then I have 2 Raisinets trash bag thingy in here as well. And what else? Okay, I have a Michael Kors watch, which I got for my birthday from a subscriber. So my birthday is the 3rd of December, by the way. I'm just putting it out there, but just putting it out there. Yeah. So I won't open it because I want to do like a birthday haul. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that, what I got for my birthday. I don't know. I want to do those videos like crazy too. So that's that. Then I have 2 ketchup thingies, packets, because normally like if I go like Tasties or something, they don't get enough ketchup. So normally like I just have a bag of ketchup in my fridge. I'm gonna just walk with them 2 ketchup here just in case they decided to shortchange me. I'm like, now boo-boo, I got my honey. Not today, Satan. Not today. Then I have my what the flip was that? Then I have my medication in here. I'm doing better, but yeah, I have my medication. Then I have this, oh, this is gross. Okay, so I have this like paper that I used to blot. Yeah, oh, that's nasty. A piece of the Raisinets wrapper. Oh, and in the pockets up here, I didn't get these 2 pockets here. So in this first pocket here, I have my hand sanitizer. This is by Bath and Body Works, and it's a pocket back, and it's called Island Nectar. In the other side, I have a mirror, a smaller mirror, which is this one I always have, but for some reason I didn't think to check my bag. Instead, I walked with this big whole thing, which I was like, come on, did not have to do that. That's really extra. So yeah. Oh, and in the bottom of my bag I have my $5 rich. Actually, this is what the bag looks like, empty, completely empty. And in the bag it has, on the Louis Vuittons they call them D-ring. I don't know what they call them for regular bags, but and this I keep my keys on this one here. And then on this side they have 1 pocket, 2 pockets, and then is this side a zipper pocket? No. And the other side you have another one. You have a zipper pocket right here. Then you have a 1 pocket, 2 pocket kind of a situation going on here. So this is what the bag looks like. The bag does come with a strap, but I don't like bags with straps, so I took the strap off. But yeah, so this is basically, this was my what's in my bag video. Hope you guys enjoy videos like these. If you want to see more videos like these, just let me know. I enjoy watching them. I don't know, yeah. So yes, it's one thing. Let me know if you want to see what I got for my birthday. I don't know if you want to see that. Yeah, but I don't want to pull I don't want to show my watch because I will be wearing it to my birthday. So I want it to be like fresh. Plus I have to get it sized because all the Michael Kors watches are really big for my hands. That's remove some links or whatever you call them. Yeah, so that's it for my video, guys. Really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll just link below where you can purchase this. You can go on Resultly, and I'll just leave it to be below. That's my profile on Resultly, and you can actually purchase this bag right from my profile. And yeah, I guess I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye guys.